El Niño is back for the first time in 4 years, and it's likely to cause more extreme weather across the country.
Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens discusses what that might mean for our area.
We are looking at big changes in the weather pattern across the Pacific Ocean, and that has implications on weather all around the globe. So we were in a La Nina earlier this year, which we can look here at the cooler than normal water temperatures across the equator regions of the Pacific Ocean. But notice here, now into late May through June, we are now seeing those waters going well above normal, and that signals the arrival of El Nino.
After the triple dip La Nina that everyone talked about, I think most folks knew that the writing was on the wall, that we probably weren't going to see another La Nina, and perhaps El Nino was the answer to that.
As we take a look at how an El Nino develops, we look at the equator regions of the Pacific Ocean, and we have trade winds that normally blow from the east toward the west, and that pushes warm water temperatures toward the western part of the Pacific Ocean. But now we're seeing those trade winds weakening and even reversing, so it's pushing those warmer waters east. The big question is, of course, what does that really mean for us? So tamer temperatures is kind of what we're looking at for the summer months. When we look at El Nino summers around here, about 2/3 of them came out to be a little bit below normal with temperatures. But the winter season is when we see a much stronger correlation to our weather impact. So an El Nino winter, if this holds, it oftentimes brings milder temperatures and drier conditions across our area. But there's a lot more to it than just El Nino. There will be other factors that do remain to be seen.
That sounds really wishy-washy, and the reason for that is there are other circulations and other teleconnections that are at play as well. So that's why we start with El Nino to give us this idea of what our broader winter weather pattern might look like. But as we get closer, we have time to fine-tune the forecast and the expectations.
Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens reporting for your News Now.
Thanks, Nathan.